Hello, welcome back to my channel, DIY with Aurea. I have these two beautiful jars that I will start decorating. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I also have this ribbon from Amazon. But before I start decorating the jar with it, let's start gluing the rope horizontal. This DIY was super fast and easy. Watch how quick and beautiful it came out. So now that the rope is already glued in place, now I'm coming with this beautiful ribbon. I'm just gonna put it all around the jar, and I'm gonna do a second jar exactly the same way. I purchased also these beautiful lights at Dollar Tree. Wow, I think it was like last year when prices were still $1. I bought me a whole box, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them to use this summer. I'm gonna cut the excess rope out. I'm gonna do that to both of these ends, and look, it looks nice. And here are the lights that I was telling you. They cost $1, and I'm happy that I still have them. I am loving it. I'm just gonna use a little bit of hot glue so they can stay in place. Just like that. And I'll do the second jar exactly the same way. Stay tuned for the final reveal. And look how gorgeous they look. I'm gonna put them hanging outside. Here is the second jar. I'm gonna do this fast motion. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. And now that they are all done, I will show you the final reveal. I hope you enjoy this very simple DIY. I'm really excited about this one. I found these picture frames at Dollar Tree. They made out of ceramic. And I also found the starfish that I was looking for forever. The plates, I will be painting them with Harbor Blue. And the other one, I am going to paint with Morning Waterfall. I waited several hours, and now they are all dry and ready to decorate. Look how beautiful. I bought this net at a garage sale about 2 to 3 years ago. I'm gonna cut a little piece, and I'm gonna start decorating this picture frame with this net. I'm gonna use a little hot glue, and let's cut the excess out. Look how pretty. I am in love with this DIY. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit more hot glue back here. Try not to get burned. And cut the excess net. And now let's go ahead and glue one of those starfish. Look at how gorgeous. This is gonna be absolutely stunning. Keep watching so you could tell me which of these two is your favorite. And here is the second. I'm doing almost the same thing with the fishnet, but I'm just gonna glue it sideways this time. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the starfish. But I also have these shells that I bought also from Dollar Tree, I don't know, several years ago. And I had some left over, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them to use right now. I'm gonna just use 2 of them, and I'm just gonna randomly put them on the fishnet. And once again, let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Guys, I have recycled this picture frame I don't know how many times, but let's go ahead and do it one more time. I got these beautiful papers at Michael's. Look at these beautiful pages. Wow. So this is the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and glue it with a little bit of hot glue in the bottom, and I tried putting this ribbon over it, but you can see the difference of color. So the excess that I cut off, I'm putting it on these two corners, so like that when I put that nautical ribbon, I will not be able to see the brown of that cardboard. You'll see what I'm talking about. I hope this makes sense. And look at how beautiful this is turning out. I am loving it. So let's go ahead and put it together and put it back in the frame. You could use something to cover that backside if you are going to be selling it. Other than that, I am not gonna sell it, so I'm just gonna use these popsicle sticks and I'm gonna put them on each corner just to keep it in place. Look at how pretty it looks all by itself. This is gorgeous. You can put whatever you want in front, but this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be taking these metal fish and star with a little bit of hot glue and a little jingle black. I put a jingle black in the back just like I did right here with the star. Now if you want a permanent hold, you might want to use a different glue. But for the purpose of this video, this is what I used. Look at how gorgeous. Now I have some more starfish and I'm going to put it in the corner. And that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful DIY. And here is my final DIY. I got this beach sign that I will be painting in white. I'm going to put it to the side so it could dry. In the meantime, I'm taking these bamboo sticks and I'm going to use some white chalk paint. And I will be painting approximately 8 of them. And I will be using this beautiful sign from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using those bamboo sticks now that they are all dry. And I will start gluing them on each corner. And look at this, the magic of editing. Look how gorgeous this came out. Now the beach sign is all nice and dry. And with some hot glue, I'm going to glue this little bitty boat on top of it. I got this little boat. I think it was like 6 in a package, also from Dollar Tree. Look at how gorgeous. I am loving it. And now let's go ahead and glue the beach sign to that beautiful blue sign. Oh my god, I am loving this. I think this is my favorite. Now another starfish. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it and put it right here in the corner. And look at how gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't get over how gorgeous this came out. Leave me in the comments section which is your favorite, but for me, I really do like this one. I'm going to use some nautical rope as well from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some hot glue in the back, and like that you could put it on the wall. Thank you once again for clicking into my channel. I hope that you do consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That does help my channel. I'll see you soon.